So it's been work experience week this week for year 10, all 250 pupils. We've had 185 at-home work experience placements all through industries all over Bolton, and we've had 15 on the Work Ready programme provided by Tailored Education, and then we've had a further 50 pupils in school, which we've had lots of different workshops from lots of companies and providers, colleges and universities. So we've had Stateside Food in, Bolton College in, Salford College, Greater Manchester Police, we've got GM Hiring. We've had an enterprise day with Adam Corbley, a full amazing enterprise day that the kids gained so much experience from it, from doing the Dragon's Den style project for the day. So they've had amazing experiences, and we've had training providers in talking about apprenticeships. So what my aim for this week of the workshops is to broaden the pupils and knowledge and understanding about the next steps into the year 11, about applying to colleges, writing CVs, personal statements, how to actually apply to colleges, where to look for apprenticeships, and we're doing the financial side of workshops as well. With NatWest, we're going to be talking about overdrafts, mortgages, and how to just budget. So we're giving them some life skills as well as some of the work experience, knowledge and understanding.
I've done my work experience at Smithills School in the Performing Arts department. I found my work experience fun as I got to learn new skills to help me in the future.
For work experience, I've stayed at school and I've participated in numerous activities and sessions, which include Enterprise Day, university visits.
We've worked with lots of colleges, universities about finance, managing finance, and next steps after school to like colleges, universities.
My favourite bit has to be the workshop with Adam Corbley.
Led by example, we introduced them, everyone in the team was accountable, you knew what everyone was doing, everyone knew what they were doing.
It was my favourite as it enabled me to explore my creativity and perform market research about topics that interest me.